In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create flowcharts and process maps in Miro. Miro is a versatile online collaborative whiteboard platform that's perfect for creating visual diagrams. Whether you're working solo or collaboratively, using Miro can streamline your workflow by enabling you to transform complex ideas into clear and concise diagrams. Let's walk through the steps to get you started. First, head over to your Miro dashboard. This is your starting point where all your boards are displayed, giving you a comprehensive view of your ongoing projects. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll want to look for the option that says Explore Templates. This feature in Miro is a goldmine for those who need a head start on their designs. Clicking on it will open up a wide array of ready-to-use templates. Next, you'll want to search for Flowchart in the template search bar. Miro's library is rich with templates crafted for various needs, and searching for a flowchart will present a selection specifically designed for mapping out processes. Once you find a flowchart template that suits your purpose, click on Use. This action imports the template directly into your workspace, setting the stage for customization. Now that the template has been added, it's time to tailor it to your specific needs. You can adjust the shapes, lines, and text to better fit the information you want to convey. Miro's user-friendly interface makes it easy to click and drag components around or add new elements, ensuring your flowchart accurately represents your process. After customizing your flowchart, you might want to explore creating another visual map, such as a process map. Head back to your dashboard to begin this part of the project. Just like before, click on Explore Templates once more. This time, instead of searching for a flowchart, type process maps into the search bar. This will bring up templates designed to illustrate sequences and workflows in detail. When you find a process map template that matches your requirements, click Use. Adding this template to your board allows you to begin the customization process again. Take the time to alter the template so that it accurately displays your specific process. You can effortlessly edit the individual elements to reflect the tasks or stages pertinent to your particular workflow. By following these steps, you've now successfully created both a flowchart and a process map in Miro. Each step contributes to a comprehensive understanding of the processes you're aiming to illustrate, making it easier to communicate your ideas clearly. Keep exploring Miro and its powerful features to enhance your productivity and take advantage of its collaborative tools. Thank you for watching and enjoy designing captivating diagrams in your future projects.